Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I achieved this chocolate brown color from this loose deep. What the f am I saying? Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I don't know if you still say that. It is almost February at this point. Okay, get it right. I don't know how people just talk straight into the camera and just engage with everybody and don't f up. Like, how do you not f up? Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this color in this loose deep lace front wig from Wiggins hair. This is a 13 by 4 lace front wig in the length 26 inches and it is a size small. I colored this unit using only developer, 40 volume developer, and I'm going to show you guys how I do all of that. Before we get into it, I just want to give a few notes about the hair. 1, it sheds a lot, I will say that. 2, I got 180 density, but I mean it's pretty full for what it's given. Like, I think it's full enough. It took to the developer really well. I think I left it on for like 30 minutes or so and it got this light. Like, I hope the camera's picking up how light it is. It's giving like a color, I want to say a 4. Yeah, it's giving 4. The biggest thing I didn't like about this wig is the hairline. Like, for somebody who has temples that go in kind of far, this wig is very open in the forehead, so you kind of got to make up for the lace with the baby hairs, and I don't really like putting a whole lot of baby hairs on a wig. With the wig, it's just be giving too fake sometimes. But nevertheless, I mean, I guess it looks, I mean, it looks good. I'm not gonna play them like that. It looks good. Another thing I didn't care about with the wig was that, yeah, and y'all gonna see it in the footage, but the hairline was so thick. Like, they say it's pre-plucked, but it was given plucked right here and harsh as hell right here, and it's still like super thick up in this area. And I mean, thick wigs are good, but don't focus it right here, because this is where we put in our parts. We don't want no big bulky situation going on. And I mean, it looks decent for me not hot combing or like flattening this out. I kind of like it to kind of sit up a little bit, especially when we're dealing with wavy hair. Now, if it was straight or body wave, then I would have had a problem. But overall, I'm happy with how it came out. I just put a little bit of, well, y'all see what the fuck I put in it. I mean, it's giving a look. I don't know if it's just because it's me. But overall, I mean, I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. I gotta play with it some more, see what it can really do. I mean, it's pretty much like 99% dry right now. It's a little damp in this area, a little damp right here, but it doesn't get too big. It's giving a look. Like, I really like the color on my skin tone. I thought I wasn't gonna really like it, but I do. I feel like their hair is like the same color as my eyes. So nah. But I don't know, y'all. Tell me what y'all think. Tell me what y'all think. For the most part, this is gonna be like a watch and learn. But I might come in and explain a few things. I mean, you've seen it once, you've seen it 100 times. I feel like everybody on YouTube is doing the same shit anyway. So, I mean, it's nothing fancy about my techniques. It's nothing new. But I mean, hey, watch it. Take notes. You got any questions, ask me. I'll respond. I try to catch all the footage. Hopefully, it's pretty easy. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. I ain't gonna wrap y'all up.